Hello and welcome to the EIE cycle titled Integrated Computer Science Math Extensions. By engaging in this cycle, you will explore how the math extension lesson embodies the integrated approach of this curriculum. At EIE, our mission is to create a generation of problem solvers. Problem solving is a common thread that weaves through every subject area. Whether you are teaching science, ELA, social studies, or math, strong problem-solving skills and mindsets can help your learners succeed. No matter what subjects you teach, computer science offers an opportunity to integrate learning in an authentic way. The Computer Science Essentials curriculum helps you make meaningful connections to multiple subjects, with a special focus on mathematics. Math is a natural place to apply the computational thinking skills that students have built during this unit. In the math extension lesson, you'll see how the study of computer science develops a problem-solving toolset that strengthens learning across subjects. Allow this video to reach the end before moving on to the Reflect section, where you'll explore the math extension lesson as an educator and as a learner. Check out the Other Resources section below for more information and support. Have fun connecting computer science and math.